Hi everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for joining me. Today I'm making a cheeseburger. First we start off with some ground beef. Okay, you get some ground beef. I'm going to just cut a little part at the end because I'm not going to make this whole big ground beef. So I'm going to cut some off at the end of this right here. Just going to make a little one. I'm just going to put this on the side over here and I'm going to work with this. And all I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put in some parsley, lots of parsley, everyone. I love parsley. And we're going to put some pepper. And we're going to use some adobo. Okay? Those are all the ingredients that's going to be inside this burger. Okay? Okay, so we get this in. Just mix it up nice and you just get your hands in it. Mix it up. Okay? I just love parsley, everyone. Okay? So we got that parsley in there. Just like that. And you make sure nice and round edges. Just flip it around. You see how good that look, everyone? You see all the color of the parsley that gives that extra flavor? Okay. You just make it nice and round on the edge. This is going to be such a good burger, everyone. Okay, make it a little wider, flatten out a little bit. Some people like their burger very thick, you know? This is like medium size. It's not too big or too small, but it's a nice heavy amount. It's a nice weight. Okay. Just make this nice round edges over here. You want to make it nice and round, your burger. It's going to be delicious, everyone. But, you know, you just make it nice and round. And this is it. And next thing you're going to see me do, I'm going to turn it around a little bit so you can see. It's going to be cooked on top of my stove. Hi, everyone. We're going to put this burger in the pan. These burgers are pretty big. So I got my biggest frying pan. This frying pan is massive. It's huge. These burgers are pretty big. Can my plate go down the back? That's okay. I'll put this back up. My other small frying pan, it was too small for my other pan that I always use when I'm cooking. So I got my massive frying pan. These burgers are nice and big, you know? They're just right. So I'm going to put that down. Medium low, just let that cook a little while. And later on, I'm going to saute some onions in there. Okay, everybody, I'm going to turn this over. Turn these over. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Turn it down as well. Oh, these are some nice and big burgers over here. Oh, wow. You can smell the flavor in this thing. Turn it over. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Let this cook now for a little bit more. About 15 more minutes. All right. I'm just going to add a little bit more adobo to it on top. And I'm going to put these onions inside on top, on the side, because I want these onions sauteed. I want them like cooked. You know, some people put their onion raw on top of their burgers. I like my onion cooked. So I'm going to put it right here. And then in a few minutes, I'm going to add some other ingredients on top of the burgers. Just let this cook for a little bit. And onions cook really fast, you know. You can eat onions just like the way it is. So, okay, everyone, these burgers are ready. So I'm going to put some slices of cheese on top of them. And then what I'm going to do, I know I'm going to make this video short. I'm going to put these onions on top of these burgers here. Okay, I'm going to put these onions on top of these burgers over here. Just going to move them a little bit. They're nice and golden brown. I'm just going to put one on top, like this. It's going to saute automatically by itself. It's going to melt. I just want to put some... Yes, how can I do this with my hand like this? I'm so used to cooking, everyone. It doesn't feel hot on my fingers. So I'm going to do one more. I like 3, okay? And then I'm going to do the rest. So when I come back, you're going to see me with these burgers. Okay, everyone. The cheeseburger is ready. Here is the cheeseburger. And I like to put a lot of there. I have this bun, the sesame seed bun. But before I put my cheeseburger on the bun, I like to put some mayonnaise on it. I'm going all out, everyone. If you like, you can use turkey burger, or y'all who are vegan, or some of y'all may like tofu. I'm going to put that there. I want it on both sides. I'm doing the work. And sometimes I put mustard. But I'm not putting mustard on it today. I want this on both sides of this right here. And the next thing I'm going to add on to this, I'm going to put the burger on the bottom side of this bread right here. Oh, nice and hot. We get that onion back up here. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Just 2 tomatoes, not too much. Okay, see the tomato right there? And I'm gonna put the pickle on the opposite side. I know this is on the bottom. I'm gonna put the pickle. Oh, I got some more onions. The onions I want on top. My pickles I'm gonna put on the bottom. And just fit perfectly. You know, I like dill pickles. And then I'm gonna put some lettuce right here on top. Here goes the lettuce right here on top. And then I'm gonna top it off with some ketchup. I'm gonna put ketchup on top of the bread right here. I know I have mayonnaise on that bread, but I put ketchup on top of the bread. And what I'm going to do is spread that ketchup around just a little bit like that. Just a little bit of ketchup. That bun on top. You just wipe my hands off for a little bit. Let me get this burger up in 1 minute. Okay. Alright. Bring the burger up. And here it is. Do you see this? Oh, wow. Do you see all that goodness in that lettuce on the? Do you see all that goodness and you see the tomato? Okay. Now I'm going to take a bite of this. You know, I'm going to take any lipstick I have on this because I want to really get into this burger. Okay. See how big it is? Mmm. 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 Now, this is a cheeseburger full of flavor. Mmm. I said prayer before. And thank you, God. Amen. Well, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I'm going to eat the rest of my burger with my family. And don't forget, God is good. Bye-bye. Love you. Thanks for watching.